fear and anxiety in the minds of the people of Goa due to the problems faced by the Panchayat secretaries for using the separate house number to the members of the joint family. There are many applications pending in the various Panchayats where the family has been separated from joint household and not being used separate house number. The step government has taken intends to take in the matter.
Under the rules, there is no provision for allotment of separate house numbers in the same buildings. As a matter of practice, the village panchayats give separate house numbers to such buildings if such request is received from the co-owner or co-occupier thereafter. In such cases, the respective panchayat adopt the following procedure for the purpose of issuing separate house numbers. However, in order to avoid any hardships or inconveniences and further to overcome problems faced by panchayat secretaries, if any, for issue of separate house numbers to the members of joint family, in this regard, government will think about framing the guidelines or rules thereafter. As on date for issue of separate house numbers, 27 applications are pending in Tiswadi block and 200 applications, that is where you are affected, are pending in Salset block for want of proper documents as reported by respective block development officers. In view of the above facts, there is no need to create fear and apprehension in the minds of the people of Goa in respect of processing applications for issuing separate house numbers to the members of joint family by the concerned village panchayat secretaries. मान्य सभासद हांगा सगळे आसा पंचायतीन कितें चलता ते आनी सेक्रेटरीज कितें चलता ते तुमकां खबर आसा. इट इज नॉट ओन्ली फॉर हाऊस नंबर्स, हें आख्खे गोंयान सगळ्यांक खबर आसा. म्हणून आतां इवन फॉर ट्रान्सफर एक ट्रान्सफर पॉलिसी हांव फ्रेम करता की उमक्यो तेंप जालो काय 3 वर्सां जाली वचपाकूच जाय आनी 5 वर्सां जाली ते ब्लॉकांसून वचपा जाय. 10 वर्सां जाली ते आख्खे डिस्ट्रिक्ट टू डिस्ट्रिक्ट ट्रान्सफर जावपा जाय. गोंय आमचें ल्हान आसा, नाजाल्यार एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ग्रासरूट लेवलार कॉलेप्स जातले. पूण हिंगा अशें जाला बॉल्सां भरपाचें काम एक एकदां कोण इन्वॉल्व आसता आमकां सगळी जाणवाय आसा कोण हूंय कितें करून घेता सेक्रेटरी कडेन. आनी अशें केल्यार आमी एक जाणून घेवपा जाय आख्खें गोंय आमचें इल्लिगल जातलें. गोंय हा धाकटुलें आनी तेंय तरी आमी इल्लिगल जावपा दिलें. ही जबाबदारी म्हाका दिसता आमची सगळ्यांची आसा. हांव मेळना जाल्यार म्हाजे कोण हे वांगडी आहा मंत्री तांकां वचोन घट धरतात, ते येवन म्हाजे कडेन बसता, नाल्यार कांय ना जाल्यार सीएमा कडेन वयतले. हे कशी करून ही ट्रान्सफर वचपा जाय, मागीर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन चलपा ना. सो प्लीज सगळे सभासद तुमी मानून घेवपा जाय एक ट्रान्सफर पॉलिसी येयली म्हणटच तुमी मान्यता दितले.